That's what I wish they would have done. All right, you ready? Frank put footlights on his.
Yeah. I got that nice headlight.
That's all they got.
You gotta put your gear
down.
Oh yeah.
Wasn't even on.
You wouldn't have that steering, right?
I think it still steers.
Oh, yours still steers?
Yeah.
Mine would.
Good thing you said something though.
Well, I knew because your light.
The light wasn't on. Oops. All right, so what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Because
I'll just go up, go in front, come right at you.
I'm getting a long run. So you can if you want. Yeah, go ahead. And then I'll just get a long run and go way up. Oh wait. All right, here we go.
Gear up, flaps up.
I'm going to do a fast pass from the left. You'll have time to catch up.
You should lit up nice right now.
Ready?
Yep.
Then I'm going to climb right here. Oh wow, you caught up big time. I'm going to do a split S and come back the other way.
Nice loop coming back down.
Okay.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Coming back around behind you.
Time remaining 1 minute 5 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, it looks. Oh wow, I felt the wind from that. Doing one more this way. You see it better in the evening. All right, setting up to land. I'm going to come from the left.
Seconds. Gear down. Landing
All
flat.
these enemies off.
10, 9, 8, 7,
I felt that.
6.
I felt the wind from that.
Flaps up.
When you throttled up, it went woof, it blew on me.
5, 4,
Yeah, my nose gear's loose.
2, 1.
I gotta tighten it.
Time expired.
You coming in? All right, you're clear. There you go. Unbuckle that knuckle. Cool. Yeah, I got I noticed that it's bending back.
What is?
The nose gear, because it's loose. Fly this thing too much. fly a lot, stuff falls apart.
Nick,